Hiya, I just got a quick video today on our HiLook DVR. So we're using the latest HiLook 5MP for in the 4-channel, and it's 8MP in the 8-channel DVR. Just a really quick one today on how to factory reset your DVR to the beginning. So if you do have to use this video, we do have a video as well how to run the wizard. So keep an eye out for that one, and then you can get your DVR back to its original state. Okay, so to factory reset it back to original is, see on the top bar we've got maintenance, the little I. Click on maintenance and it's right here. We prefer not to do a simple restore. We just go factory defaults, which is the exactly like a brand new. Okay, so we click on that and we click on yes, and it will restart the DVR, and you'll have to run the wizard again and set it up from the beginning. Yeah, that's simple as that. All right, see you next time. Thank you. Bye.